welcomes to you. We await the conclusion of the pre-game formalities. And here we have Barcelona against Real Madrid. I'm Peter Drury, and it's a pleasure to be alongside Jim Beglin.
Thanks for that, Peter, and may I say a big hello to everyone.
Well, this is intense. They talk about it for months, they remember it for years. It matters almost too much when Barca and Real collide. Who do you think this turns on, Jim?
I've got to pick James Rodriguez. They're a good left feet, and then there's the one the Colombian's lucky to have. He's in the elite lefties club, which unfortunately I never got near, but he can pick passes most of his peers can't even see.
Yeah, I'd have picked him too. No doubt the fans feel much the same way. Luis Suarez. That intervention was very necessary. Rakitic with the short one. Jordi Alba. Now it's Luis Suarez. Neymar. Chance! Goal! Barcelona!
That's always a great sight, you know, on a football pitch. Nimble-footed, show great balance and a really cool head to finish. And that kind of dribbling is really smart.
Barcelona take the lead, landing the first significant blow in what is certainly a significant contest. Cristiano Ronaldo. And it's Benzema. And this is James Rodriguez. Luis Suarez. Now it's Messi. Messi.
Well, we were unlikely to see a goal then because there were so many players crowding out that danger area. I think something very special was going to be needed.
There was plenty of power on that. Barcelona are leading with half-time drawing close. Oh, he's caught him there, it's a free kick. Modric. So what now? Sergio Busquets, another shot! Toni Kroos. And that is going to be the final action of the first. Whistle goes, and we start the second half.
Well, 1-0 may be good enough, so they may err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball instead of running beyond it. They could even try to spoil it from here, we'll see.
Ball's come loose and the chase is on. Iniesta! He can get that clear. Piqué goes long and forward. And it's Luis Suarez. Iniesta. Lovely bit of skill. Out to the left it goes. Neymar pumps it into the area. Defence got the better of him this time, but I'm sure he'll go again. Bale. Barcelona get dipped into their subs. Messi. Luis Suarez. You could just about hear the collective sigh there. They know they got away with one. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Now it's Benzema. This could fall anywhere! Benzema with a beautifully timed run. Iniesta brings the ball forward. Modric pumps it forwards. Iniesta. Just a quarter of an hour to play. Now it's Luis Suarez. Pepe, very firm in standing his ground there. It is a tough, full-contact contest. Toni Kroos. 1-0 as we head towards the end. Carvajal looks to slip it through. It's Benzema!
Well, there's no point in adopting a conservative attitude now. As long as they don't lose their shape completely, they have to throw men forward in this situation.
Pepe. Barcelona need to hold on for a few more moments. Forward it goes. Ball's gone out of play. There's going to be a change here. There's a man waiting to come on.
Well, for me, this was the obvious substitution. He'd become just a little jaded, and as a result of that, he was most likely to make a mistake. I think sometimes when the body becomes tired, the brain goes with it, and I think that's happened in this case.
And that is it. The referee has seen enough. Barcelona win it by the only goal. Result, no question, the most important thing, however it came. Final score, 1-0. So there it is. What struck you most about that?
Listen, I've experienced the highs and the lows of derby.